una get for prepare una self. You want marry Bamenda woman, you know. You want marry number 4, you want marry Bakure. You want marry number 4, Nambengui. Let me say meta woman. Una get for prepare una self. How the thing it work out for the way the thing work out. Before when I want look out for the way when I look the thing don't go for where you go be. Countryman, countrywoman, I throw a big time salute for all now. May we start, they were Tori day, baby time Tori. What happen? Some man, what they call it say Pascal. There, I no one give real name, na just Pascal I call him. What happen with Pascal? Pascal take his own pikin, where he born him. He take him, he put him for down, he climb on top. He climb on top a pikin, he begin tolicate a pikin. He make tolication for a pikin, so take for up, for down. Una understand what I mean? That means say he take it for before, for back, for before, for back. Now the very wonderful thing that way it happens. So scandal upon scandal for the high level of scandal. Now the catchina, they put her for Ngata. The judge am small, he never finish, Magistrate Margaret, he put it for Ngata. After, he never said Ngata, the movie, the free. Now so, State Council don't vex. State Council say, now what thing did it happen? So, them say, some man feel rape his own pikin. And then at the end of the day, he goes scotch free. So, wonderful parabat. As I talk for una so, State Council, that means say they call for France, say, procureur. He don't take that man back, he throw him for his kondengi. That man where he rape his own pikin. He rape his pikin, for play with pikin, he go for toilet with him, and then rape pikin, for play with one pikin go big, if he born his own pikin with him. Now that kind of thing, the way, that he pass self witchcraft. Now the way he pass self, that thing where they call say, entanglement. That means say, if you hear say entanglement, that thing pass entanglement. Countryman, my countrywoman. The mommy for that pikin, he cried yesterday for television. He cried. He didn't sorry. He cried. Say the thing don't pass the power. Papa for pikin take pikin. Tolicate him. Instead of say, may they understand. Say they never put you for prison. Me serve prison term. May the thing qualify for it so that another people go look and say an example that they want you free. They get that mago where they want make up for papa for Lidl. Where they take it go for here, they make up. They want protect it. Now because say it creates social media frenzy. Hey, Senator, you don't talk grammar. Social media frenzy. That means say play shake. It make tout le monde bouger, tout le monde bouger. Yes. Now so they carry go for Ngata. So the man, when a Pascal, if it say oh don't finish, say don't come out for prison, for begin continue for do him again. Because if a man fit sleep with his pikin, for play with pikin, he go toilet with him. Sleep will play with pikin, go born his own pikin, that go big because that's small pikin, even in a big pikin. That very man, if he do any kind of baba thing for all place. So we must be very, very careful, countryman, countrywoman. Mommy them, wanna be careful, be careful. I know say till they happen, but wanna be very careful till that kind of papa them. Tori day, the other Tori now, na that man where they call it say Saint-Désir Atango. Saint-Désir Atango, na popular figure. Now this kind of way don't come on so we don't know say Saint-Désir Atango be na polygamy. But some wonderful, extraordinary polygamy will be there inside. His own polygamy, no be say na different women the way don't marry them. Now say na 2 out of it 3 girl picking them. Where you don't marry them. 1 don't run. 2 then they with ye. Where it is sleep with them. Morning, afternoon, evening. Morning, afternoon, evening. So they don't born picking with your own picking. That means say ye be grandpa for a picking. Because if you born picking born picking, now you be grandpa. But if you born picking, you sleep with a picking. For born another picking, you be papa for your picking, and then be grandpa for your picking. Hey! Hey! The penal code for Cameroon, Article 360. And then if you go down for 345, 47, 346, you go understand the punishment. Now from 1 year to 3 years. from 500,000 to 2 million where you supposed to pay if you do that kind of thing. But so another article, sub-article, they will talk say, if you not by force and then some man called book, like one papa called book or mommy called books and actually they happen, then they fit judge them. But if they don't big, oh, so that's where big people they do law, they call it say jurisprudence. That means say, thing where law not talk up, we no fit judge them, we no fit sanction them because law not talk the thing. They you not pass our power. It is some kind way, it go be for some kind way. We wanna look the matter now. All would look the matter, it be how. Now, so journalists, they don't go interview that send Daisy at Tango a Pidgin. That Pidgin, he self talk, say, it is more, he repe. Say, repe na prophet. Say, that time for COVID, if Papa be talk, say, COVID go come, I come. Say, they supposed for here, Papa say, na prophet. Anytime Papa talk, it correct. And then, he say, it day we pa, the day they don't burn their Pidgin them, it day, for Toleke we pa, no be problem for you because na prophet and na God sending. Cha chuchwa putu rabata pata pata. I don't speak in tongues. Rababa tutu putu parata pata pata. Hey, massa. The matter so he passed me. He passed plenty people into. He passed remedy them. So one day they hear the matter so they vomit a wow one time because it make you get that kind of fever away. Your skin is shake. Say how papa feeling nang ina injaka. How papa feeling nang ina injaka so they born Pidgin. How papa fit take injaka, he enter a woman's skin, and then he go for that play Pidgin, he go toilet with him, he enter 2 for day. Now the chiwo won't understand. Hey, outside don't be some kind of way, think they know the chakra, it don't be na LA haphazard. Grandma don't come up for that matter, because the matter, it passed me. Countryman. So, we blow na tori for Palaba first school living certificate. They call and say SEP for French, subsystem for education. For English subsystem for education, they call them say first school living certificate. Before, first school be been a class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, class 6, and class 7. Now so, now class 1 to class 6 a day. Now, people know they write first school living certificate. So one they do na 8 years. So one them na 9 years. So on them na 10, so on them na 11. It all depends. Or 12 self. That time before big papa them dey school. So one with this school, if you look it so, you see say they like 25 years. When they primary school, if you did sometime 20 something, 26, 27. People them dey with it, so they get beer for their ching so if they primary school. But this time now, things don't change. Now small jacka them, how they send them for kindergarten, I don't talk grammar. For nursery school. For basic education, that small school now, for beginning school. Now the Pidgin they don't write their first school yesterday. So say congratulations. Some country they write time, they mark them that day for a center, and then una no say una don't pass. The man we name na Konate Minfu na for that side for Abidjan Abidjan, You know, say I be some kind of man way I no life for begin sing me some kind of song. Then I will talk the part for the song where they make and people they know the hear good. Where when I know say we more respect people they are here where they hear we. Now 40-year-old man, them say papa for Pidgin where we born early for big grandpa. We don't get a first school living certificate for that side for Côte d'Ivoire. So the talk say. Congratulations, you don't get your first school. I want to say GCE. Congratulations, you don't get your first school. Even now 40 years, you will continue your school. You need 7 more years to get your baccalaureate. If you go again, you go be 54, or you go be 50 or 47 years for get your baccalaureate. No be problem. If you get baccalaureate for 47 years and then go university. 54 years, he get the first degree. If I dream that, may continue with the dream. Country woman, we go enter now, Nandamba. When I know say Ndamba na sense, no? Yes. The Ndamba palaba, they plenty talk the day way. It shows say, he happen with Mark Breeze and Samuel Etofis. Mark Breeze is himself, Atise don't confirm am. He confirm am say Eto e no dey play. Eto don't take it for that one for Dombele. He give ultimatum. Let me say order say in 1 hour's time. If I no see list for player them, now Martin Tungu Pile he go make list for player them. As I talk for una so, Cameroon don't already go for that side for Morocco for that tournament. They go play in 3 days against Uganda, and 3 days later they go play against Equatorial Guinea for Morocco. So Mabri first send first list. We play at the way they get wound. Other one the way they know they available. Fikafute in a semi correct that list. It's like the tonton. It's a player they know where this and that. Etona sent some big book for Minister for Sports. Say he give Mark Breeze 1 hour. If list for that player they know they, Mate Tungu Pile go make that list, and then he go drive Mark Breeze from this situation. Minister read the letter way Samuel Ito send for ye. Narcis Boyle come understand say the matter is serious. He take it tingling. Hello Mark Breeze. Wait till they happen way they ask you say me modify that list fast. You really modify them. Modify them fast. If 1 hour pass, Samuel Ito fees could replace you and will not go get any means for fit defend you. Because now you go down give you the opportunity for say may sack you like coach. The man start shake. In Bangzang shake. He do am. In 24 minutes, when they give 1 hour for make list, 24 minutes, he don't make list. So they local player the day inside. Player the day they come out. One player come out for Victoria United for Limbe. He don't already enter Vesa plane. Aeroplane, bye-bye. Helicopter, bye-bye. Pam! He don't go for that side for Morocco. So now so the team, Iwaka, countrywoman. He did say that Mark Breeze, he like Sisia. He like say, may the holla you first before you do something. If you don't know holla you, you know go one, do thing for the correct way, the one that may do am. So we watch that thing that understand it pass. How Cameroon go play, we'll see him tomorrow. In 3 days, sorry, because we didn't have the 3rd. For the 6th, we'll see him how the match it pass. Now so it day. So player they don't already go. So one they don't already reach Morocco. Now we at the give una tori. So small tori for newspaper. The first newspaper we'll get for here. Now they call us say waiting for big grammar. Le Jour newspaper. Le Jour newspaper. It talks say waiting. It talks say Pidgin for that man when a popular man because he send this at Tango where he sleep with him, he don't talk. Now I tell na Le Jour newspaper, he talk the one. Le Jour don't come out that story, he tell you say that girl don't talk. Small fine girl, but he argue say he na a papa, they supposed for continue for make mommy. Another story, he did for Daily Voice. Daily Voice for the main story, he talk about Southern Cameroon. And then he show another Senator Mundi his story after they be kidnapping. Yes, so that Amber boy they be kidnapping. And so the story talk. No me I talk. Na newspaper talk. Mutation. He talk he talk about leakage for back exam. That means say Pidgin they don't remember for us. They want to see question don't come up for outside. How question fit come up for outside for baccalaureate? Now we will not know. Cameroon Tribune. He talk about development for council them. Cameroon Tribune, he give a microphone for all the actors. Una not say mayor they will hold some big conference for talk about their development. The Guardian Post newspaper, the Monitor in Act 32. The Guardian Post newspaper can we go for chambers of commerce and the election will take place today. What the Guardian Post newspaper talk? It says Senator Fon Mukete. They don't vote like big Oga Kwata for Mukete Ekoko. And then you get now Frundi, have Edison Frundi. And artisan are picking for John Frundi. He don't win the own 2 for day. And then this Guardian Post the tell you say over 200,000 candidates they go begin write GCE today. They day so. They go write science student, art student. Now today you go start write. And then the paper to carry we talk about Senator Mundi's story of hope in new book, Inspiring Hope. Now, don't say they be taking for Tuanshi, so it be for us station some time. And then that newspaper way they come out every day because they call us say daily. They call them say emergence. Emergence talk about that meeting where Maurice come to hold up for that side for France. He say it shock Yaoundé because the whole people then come out. He go before some way. They talk say ha. Now wait till that countryman, countrywoman. Now all the things that way we get away concern newspaper them for today. We not go feel read all the other newspaper. They didn't plenty, but we don't just choose now some few newspaper for tell now what is this newspaper them they talk. As soon as know, anytime I come for here, before I want go back, I always tell una the one. If una see my back, Mona no say my belly it dey for before.